ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கணேஷாய நமः. ஸ்ரீமன்னாராயணீயம். ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கிருஷ்ணாய பரபிரம்மணே நமः. தசகம் 89, ஸ்லோகா 4. தபः தப்த்வா घोरं சகலு குபிதः சப்தமதினே शिरः चित्वा सद्यः पुरहरम् उपस्थाप्य पुरतः अतिक्षुद्रं रौद्रं शिरसि करदानेन निधनं जगन्नाथात् वव्रे भवति विमुखानां क्व शुभधीः. Word by word meaning. Ghoram tapaha taptva, after performing very severe penance. Saha, he, saptamadine, on the seventh day. Kupitaha kalu, becoming very angry. Shiraha chitva, cutting off his own head. Puraharam Shiva, Sadhyaha Purataha Upasthapyaha, making appear in front immediately. Jagannathat, from the Lord of the universe Shiva. Shirasi Karadanena Nidhanam, death by placing his hand on the head of anyone. Atikshudram Raudram Vavre, asked for such a cruel and very mean boon. Bhavati, Vimukhanam, in those who have no devotion to thee. Shubhadhihi Kva, how can there be good sense? Full meaning. After performing very severe penance, Vrakasura became very angry on the seventh day and made Shiva appear before him immediately by threatening to cut off his own head. Then he asked that Lord of the universe the cruel and very mean boon that anyone on whose head he would place his hand should die at once. How can there be good sense in those who have no devotion to thee? Om Tat Sat.